Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I'm using my new gear again. Hopefully everything will turn out fine. Today I'm going to make a steamed fish. I have a very nice snapper fish head with me. This fish I think is taken out from a 2.5 kg Blubber Lips Snapper. So this fish head, I don't know how heavy is it, probably about 300-400 gram minimum. This is actually only half of the fish head, okay? Half of the fish head here. Wash it thoroughly, sprinkle a little bit of salt, put a few pieces of ginger or spring onion on top to help to remove the fishiness. Then put inside your steamer, steam it for about 8 to 10 minutes, which we are going to do shortly. After that, we have this. Okay, so we have some ginger slices and also spring onion, and also I have some fried garlic with me. I always have my fried garlic at home. You can look for my videos on how to make fried garlic. This is extremely useful. Okay, get ready your steamer. Use any steamer you have at home. If you're using a normal steamer, then make sure the water is boiling, okay? I'm going to use this steamer of mine and steam it for approximately 10 minutes.
Start cooking.
Meanwhile, we will go and make the steamed fish sauce. So steamed fish sauce, we will start with 1 small bowl of chicken stock here. Then we will add in a little bit of oyster sauce, maybe about half tablespoon. And we are going to add in some light soy sauce. A little bit of fish sauce. Okay, where's my fish sauce? All the ingredients I use, I will put inside the video description, okay? This is fish sauce, premium fish sauce from Vietnam. And a little bit of salt and sugar. Just now that was salt. And now this is the sugar. And a few dashes of white pepper. And I will put in some seasoning oil. I'm going to use garlic oil here. You can use sesame oil if you don't have garlic oil. So if you are making fried garlic at home, then for sure you are going to have garlic oil. So extremely useful. Then make sure, stir everything up, make sure everything is nicely diluted or melted inside the sauce. Some will prefer to cook it, up to you, but it's really not necessary. Just make sure the salt and also sugar is nicely dissolved. If you prefer darker color, just add some dark soy sauce. Okay, I have taken out from my steamer and very carefully open this. Oh, look at all this steam. So always be careful when you're opening any container with steam. Open it outward so that the steam will go the other way. Yeah, you won't hurt your hand. Okay, and all this fishy water we don't want. These are the source of fishiness. So I'm going to take out my fish head and put it onto my serving plate. Ooh, look at how beautiful it is. So now I'm going to put some ginger on top. Okay, these are the julienne ginger. The more the merrier. Appa is a ginger person and I do eat all this ginger, yeah? And not forgetting the spring onion. And I decided to add a little bit of chili padi to give it a bit of enhanced flavor. Remember to remove the seeds for the chili padi, if not it's going to be very spicy, yeah? And we still have some fried garlic, remember? fried garlic will come in very handy. Beautiful. Ooh, later I'm going to eat all the collagen inside the fish head. Okay, and not forgetting, we have the steamed fish sauce. You can cook it if you want to. My chicken stock is actually hot. Yeah, my chicken stock is actually hot. So let me pour on top. All right, done. Here's my steamed blubber lips fish head. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.